Everyone, and welcome to break 2963 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade, the Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, August 3rd, 2020. It is 11:13 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:13 p.m. Central Time, and 8:13 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Hot Dog 1 spot, Arch with 3, Staple 2, NP with 2, CR Mag 3, Matsubo 4, Strictly with 2, TI Boy 3, RTS Sports Cards 1, Zav 3, Rodriguez 2, and C Kid with 4 spots. Now we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Hot Dog on top, C-Kid on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has CR Mag on top and on the bottom. CR Mag has the Hawks, Rodriguez Celtics, Strictly Nets, Arts Hornets, Rodriguez Bulls, Staple Cavaliers, Arts Mavericks, C-Kid Nuggets, Pistons, Warriors, Zav Rockets, TI Boy Pacers, Arts Clippers, RTS Sports Cards Lakers, C-Kid Grizzlies, Matsubo Heat Bucks, TI Boy Timberwolves, NP Pelicans, Strictly Knicks, TI Boy Thunder, CR Mag Magics, Zav 76ers, Staple Suns, Hot Dog Trailblazers, Matsubo Kings, Zav Spurs, NP Raptors, Matsubo Jazz, and last but not least, CR Mag with the Washington Wizards. Alright guys, we're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seals on both sides. We have a rookie, D'Angelo Russell, Los Angeles Lakers, PSA Gem Mint 10. D'Angelo Russell, rookie for the Lakers. Here's the back. Congrats, whoever has the Los Angeles Lakers. Lakers, RTS Sports Cards, congrats. On the PSA Gem Mint 10, D'Angelo Russell from break 2963. And the 2019-20 Hit Parade, the Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks!